As far as passive incomes go, this method I'm going to share with you today is hands down one of the best. Why is it one of the best? Well, you don't need skills, you don't need any experience, you definitely don't need any tech knowledge, and was that right? Tech knowledge? It sounded like technology, didn't it? So here's my guarantee. If you watch this video till the end, by the end of the video, you will know how this method works. I'm going to share with you some incredible resources that I guarantee you will not have seen anywhere else. And we're going to do this whole thing live. So let's put this down. Let's minimize the screen and let's go into the process. So for this, I am over on Etsy, and all I've done here is I've typed in sticker download. You will see there are currently 14,800 people a month searching for a sticker download. Okay, so this is step one. We go on Etsy, we type in sticker download. We then don't just start searching through all of these. We go over here to the right hand side where it says most relevant, and we're going to filter this to top reviews. And this is the thing with this method, and this why this passive income method is awesome. We're not reinventing the wheel. We look at what's already established, what's already working, and we're going to replicate it with a few little twists. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to have a look at what is top rated on Etsy for sticker downloads. And you can see in a snapshot, there's lots and lots of these different types of stickers. So we've got like cute little things like this. We've got morning quotes. We have got, what is that? Live animals, like these stickers over here, and loads more. We've got this class one, so school leavers, other bits. We've got quotes. We've got funny animals, dog stickers, and loads more. And all I'm doing here is I'm just going through and I'm looking for something like that there. See this? Let's open this up. I mean, look at that, 120,000 feedback. That's a lot. Let's take a little look. So I'm going to open this up into a new tab, and we can see this is the product. Okay, let's scroll down and have a little look at it. So 120,000 reviews. That is insane. Let's look at the shop. Let's go ahead and have a look at this shop. And all, like I say, what I'm doing here is I am literally looking for what is working well. So this, gee, look at that. 968,000 sales. This person over here is making some serious money with this method. It's crazy. So what is the method? So essentially it is creating, but you're not going to create that. I'm going to show you a workaround for it. It's creating these digital sticker downloads, and you can do this in any category and in any theme. And why is it passive? Well, essentially, once you've created these and put the listings over onto Etsy, guess what? Once you've done that, you then no longer have to do any more designs for the actual product. You don't have to send it off to the customer. You put your listing over on Etsy. If somebody buys that product from Etsy, Etsy will take care of the payment for you. They will deliver the product to the buyer for you, and it's pretty much hands off from that respect. Now, if I scroll down here, I mean, I still can't believe this shop over here, nearly 1 million sales. Crazy. So inside of this little shop over here, I am going to search. I'm not going to go through all these. I am just going to type in sticker, and I'm going to have a look at what's working. So they've got 149 items for stickers, and I'm just scrolling through, and you can see we've got faith labels. We have got, what on earth is that? A Winnie the Pooh junk journal. Flowers, look at that. Purple roses. Junk journal again. So what I'm noticing here is, doing a quick scan of the page and going through this, a lot of it is flowers and themes along that sort of thing. Yeah, again, look, flowers. Loads and loads of flowers. Let's go into this one. Let's have a little look. Crazy. Absolutely crazy, it really is. So you can see over here, look, flowers, printable. Let's scroll down here. And what are people getting? They're getting these digital download flower stickers, basically. So if I was to buy this now, I would get a PDF document with this. Obviously, as the buyer, I would need the sticky paper, but we get these designs over here that we can then print off on our sticky paper, and we can cut them out and use them. And you can see on here, there's loads more different things. I mean, that one there, 5 out of 5 reviews. People are absolutely loving it. Look, beautiful. More flowers to add to any of this. Da, da, da. Very pretty flowers, lots of different sizes. So we now know flowers are working very well. And this shop over here is doing this. So how would we replicate this ourselves without having to, create lots of images, use different AI tools, go over to Canva, create them, put them in the PDF, and lots more? Well, if you're a long-time viewer of the channel, then you'll know we like simple solutions. So for this, I am going to use this little piece of software over here, which is called Crispy Sticks. If you want to look at this yourself and check it out, I'll link it down below for you. Okay, so I'll show you how simple it is. So I'm on the home page over here. There's loads of different options on here, and I'll share with you a few of those in a second. But first of all, we're going to create an image, and all you do is you put a prompt in here. It doesn't have to be technical. You don't need really crazy prompts. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replicate what's working. So I'm going to come over here and have a look at this listing. Let's just scroll down, and I'm going to click on Learn More About this product, and it tells me on here what we are getting. And it's the same on all of these, really. If you go through and have a little look at them, it'll tell you on all of them what the product is. Like this one over here with the flowers. Let's scroll down again. Roses, leaves, daisies, sunflowers, lilacs, and more. So I'm just going to go variety. I'm just going to copy it, basically. Lilacs and more. I'm going to copy that like so. I'm going to go back over into the software. Bearing in mind, this is using AI, so it's going to create something absolutely unique. Variety of roses, and then what was that word that they use on here? It is, where's it gone? Botanical. Was it botanical? I believe it was. Let's have a little look. No, not that one. We've got a lot of tabs open over here, haven't we? Botanical flowers. So let's come back over here into the software. Botanical flowers featuring a variety of roses, Right, so let's get our spelling done. Let's do that. And then you see here where it says theme, here, comic book, got all of these different themes. So do I want watercolor style, pixel art, all of these on here. So I'll tell you what, we will go, let's go with watercolor. And we're going to hit on generate. Now, it normally takes about 20 to 30 seconds for the software to do this, and then you've got an image. And then once it gives you your image, you can edit it, you can download it instantly if you want, but you can also play around with it. So let's go ahead and have a little look at this. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. That wasn't hard, was it? It wasn't difficult at all. I really like that. It looks awesome. Really good. So now all I'm going to do here is I'm going to add to gallery here. Add to gallery. And then once it's in the gallery, I can do loads more stuff to this, okay? You can edit the sticker, you can download it, you can upscale it and loads more. But you can see here it's added into the gallery. So if I now go over here into gallery, like so, you'll see that image is in here. Okay, there it is. Now, I can apply an outline to that if I wanted to. I've got delete outline, I can duplicate it, I can upscale it, I can even add text and other bits in there if I really wanted to, okay? So let's say we wanted to just instantly download it for now. I'm going to click on download and I'll show you this. So it's going to download this for us. There we go, it's downloaded over here. Let's just open it up because it's currently in a PNG, so we can have a little look at it. Let's make it bigger. Beautiful. It didn't take any time at all. It's just a beautiful little thing done. Now, if I want to go into this, let's go on, click on edit. And bearing in mind, these are actual stickers, so you can do, there's loads and loads of things that you can do with this. So obviously we're looking at flowers in this example, but there's loads of different ways you can do this, okay? So you can add text in here, you can also change the colours, the format of it, and absolutely loads more. But as you've seen here, it doesn't take long at all. I'll share with you a couple more little features inside of here. So let me come out of here, let's go to exit. So we've got that. Now, here's the thing where most people get put off, especially with Etsy. You've got to create mock-up images. You've got to create a listing for it. Well, this software over here, guess what? It does all of that for you. And if you get stuck with any part of it, it's got this little training that also comes with it as well over here. And it shows you how to do everything. Literally, how to generate the stickers, how to do the images. You can see on here, look, download the stickers as a collage. Scroll up here, download with cut lines. There's loads and loads of things you can do inside of here, okay? So let's come back over here inside of the software. Let's go to mock-ups and have a little look at our flowers on different mock-ups. So let's just go with this one over here with in someone's hand. There it is in someone's hand. I'll come over here and click on, let's just click on there. That's that one done. This little mock-up feature as well, this is awesome because normally you'd have to go and pay for stuff like this. You can have it on different phone cases. You can see absolutely loads of stuff on the back of a phone case. Make it bigger, make it smaller, etc. It's absolutely brilliant. It really is. There's loads more stuff in here. You've got listing generator, so you just go in there and you would type in product details, what it's about, so you can see on here what is the product name, style, file details, and then it just creates it for you. You just simply put in your information there, click on generate listing, and it's done. It literally takes minutes to create these digital printable stickers inside of here. Do the mock-up, do the listing. Again, it walks you through all of that. But as you can see over here, this method isn't difficult. It used to be. You'd have had to have 3 or 4 different pieces of software, but using that crispy stick software there, you just simply put in your information and it's done. Okay, so let's very quickly go back to the home page, because in this example we did a sticker with lots of different flowers on there, but let's just say we wanted an individual one. Again, same process. We just go over here, and as you can see down here, I have just typed in that prompt over there. A beautiful botanical flower featuring a single rose using the watercolor theme, and that there is what it's given me. It looks absolutely awesome. Perfect for a sticker, and we know it's working really well on Etsy. And then again, same process, we can download it, we can create multiple images like this or single images, and then we can put them together in a collage. And then once you're happy with it, you click add to gallery, your image goes over to your gallery. You can come in here and then you can just play around with it and add in whatever you want. Basically, you can do your outline. So let's just click on apply outline. So it'll make it stand out a little bit better, pop off the page. So you can see there we've got our outline. You can change the outline color and other bits by simply going into it. So click on edit and then go into it over here, and then you can see, look, outline color. You can change it over here. You can change the thickness of it and absolutely loads more. It's bloody brilliant. It really is. So there we go. If you are looking for a simple and an easy process for building a passive income online, then this method is absolutely awesome. We know, looking at the data and looking at the numbers, there's a huge demand for it. 14,800 people a month are searching for sticker downloads. You could be as niche or as broad with this. You could go into a certain category. But as we have seen over here, especially with this little shop that we've looked at the beginning, and this was in a couple of minutes, I'm sure you can find many more. This shop over here, nearly 1 million sales with digital download products. It is. So look, if you want to check out that software over here, I'll link it down below for you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.